This is Lee Goldstein from thenewstraders.com. I'm the trade room moderator. I want to show you a collection of 3 profitable live trades we just recently made in our trade room. ADP, Australian Trade Balance, and I'll save the big one for last. The key to remember is when we're trading the news, we're looking for a nice size offset between the forecast data and the actual data. In the ADP report, the data was not all that far off from what was expected, but trading gold, which was our index of choice, our targets were intelligent because of study. We hit our first target, we then hit our second target, and I was out of the trade in 10 seconds with a nice winning trade for over $110. Keep in mind that many of our members use larger numbers of contracts, so they might make $400, $500, $600, $700 on the same trade. So that was trade number 1, the ADP trade, a nice profitable trade, $110 in the room, 15 seconds. The second trade I traded live was Australian Trade Balance. I made a very big effort to study previous reports, so I knew how to set my targets. Watch how the Australian dollar almost hits my targets to the exact T. I think I left 1 tick behind, which is amazing for a news trade. Here's the news. It comes out. My target is hit. My second target is hit. I'm up over $170 in 9 seconds on the Australian Trade Balance trade. Now I want you to watch the big one, the one that everybody gets excited about, non-farm payrolls report. Tons of people come to our trade room to watch the non-farm payroll report. It's the most important news report of the month, the most exciting news report of the month, but important because the state of the U.S. economy depends on the number of jobs created. Once again, our software puts the brackets on the chart. Those are our orders that are placed on the chart before the news is released, seconds before. That's why we call it semi-automated. We chose to trade gold on this report, and now you'll see how in literally a matter of about 9 seconds, my targets were perfectly picked. I'm out of the trade already. I'm not even done speaking about the trade. The trade is over. We made over $210 in 5 seconds. Non-farm payrolls. Tons of people come to watch us. I think some like to see us goof it up. A lot of people love to see us do well. Either way, you've got to study the news to trade the news well. You need thenewstraders.com to help you to do this. Come into our trade room, join our site. This is Lee Goldstein from thenewstraders.com, showing you 3 excellent live trades, all profitable, done in our trade room in front of a lot of people. And finally, the last one you saw was the non-farm payrolls report, over $210 in 5 seconds. See you in the trade room.